Zhiji Auto has officially announced the launch of the IM5 and IM6 models in the UK. These vehicles, the international versions of the Zhiji L6 and Zhiji LS6, made a splash at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, a major global automotive event, held on July 10, UK time, instantly capturing significant interest in the automotive industry. The IM5 is reportedly available starting at £39,450, approximately 384,000 renminbi, while the IM6 is priced from £47,995, approximately 467,000 renminbi. Deliveries are expected to begin in September this year, offering UK consumers a new premium all-electric travel option. The IM5 is positioned as a medium to large-sized, all-electric coupe and stands out with its closed front fascia and all-over lighting. The sloping roofline and upward-sweeping ducktail blend seamlessly to create a striking sense of sportiness. This design style not only aligns with current electric vehicle trends but also showcases Zhiji Auto's unique brand personality. The IM5's interior is right-hand drive, a significant adaptation for the UK market. A 26.3-inch connected display comes standard, while a 10.5-inch central display is located in the instrument cluster. The overall layout is simple and technologically advanced, with conveniently placed function buttons. Luxury features such as a panoramic sunroof, a 20-speaker sound system, and double-layer laminated glass on all four doors ensure a comfortable experience for all occupants. The IM6 interior also maintains the Zhiji brand's premium style, offering high-quality materials, a spacious interior, and user-friendly seating areas to create a luxurious living room experience. In terms of power output, the IM5 is equipped with a 100 kWh lithium-ion battery and a claimed range of 711 kilometers. Its 800V high-voltage fast-charging architecture significantly reduces range anxiety by providing a 10% to 80% charge in just 17 minutes. The IM5 will also be offered in an entry-level version equipped with a 75 kWh battery, with a range of approximately 531 kilometers, catering to diverse customer needs. While detailed power specifications for the IM6 have not yet been released, given its positioning and the brand's technological superiority, it is expected to offer excellent power and range. The launch of the Zhiji IM5/IM6 in the UK is not only a significant step in Zhiji Auto's globalization strategy, but also a striking example of Made in China in the international arena.